If you are planning for the EB2 NIW green card pathway, there is one thing you must clearly understand: the three key criteria, often called the three prongs. If you understand these properly and start aligning your work with them, you are already ahead of many applicants. Let me explain this in a simple and practical way. The first prong is that your work must have substantial merit and national importance. In simple terms, your work should matter beyond your university or your personal academic goals. It should contribute to solving real-world problems. For example, research in areas like agriculture, soil health, climate change, public health, or technology naturally carries strong merit. But beyond that, it should also have broader importance. It should contribute to society, the economy, or environmental sustainability at a larger scale. A good way to think about this is to ask yourself whether your work has the potential to create meaningful impact over time. The second prong is that you must be well positioned to advance that work. This is where your profile becomes very important. USCIS wants to see evidence that you are capable of continuing your work successfully. This includes your research, publications, citations, academic achievements, collaborations, conference presentations, and overall experience. It is not about making claims, it is about demonstrating a consistent track record. Even if you are early in your career, showing clear direction and steady progress is very important. The third prong is that it would be beneficial to waive the job offer requirement. Normally, employment-based immigration requires employer sponsorship. In this case, you are asking for an exception. So, you need to show that your work is valuable enough that it should not be limited to one employer. In other words, allowing you to continue your work independently would benefit the country. This becomes stronger when your work has broader applications and long-term impact. These three prongs are closely connected. Your work needs to be impactful. You need to show that you can carry it forward, and there should be a clear benefit in allowing you to continue without restriction. When these elements come together, your case becomes much stronger. From my experience, this is not something you prepare in a short time. It is a long-term process. Every research paper, every collaboration, and every project contributes to building your profile. That is why it is important to be intentional from the beginning. Focus on meaningful work, build consistency, and think about the larger impact of your research. If you are a student or an early career researcher, this is the right time to start preparing. Be strategic in your choices, document your achievements, and continuously improve your profile. Over time, these efforts create a strong foundation. I will be sharing more videos explaining this process step by step, based on real experience and practical strategies. If you are interested in learning more, stay connected.